So today is Saturday, and I'm about to start a workout. The workout started in about 50 seconds. This is my first time doing this workout. It's a 25-minute workout, and I just finished stretching, so I'm about to get right into this workout. And I could have worked out at home, but I'm trying to get out of the habit of being at home because I tend to get lazy if I'm at home. So I'm holding myself accountable. This is day number 4 that I am working out, and yeah, 25 minutes and we're about to get started. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Let's get this started.
About us, all the ways I wanna fall in love, all the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up.
These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No. These days, I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. No, I don't really want to talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up to one up just to show up in front of your friends. I don't really want to meet you out just to have something to post about. Exhausted by the thought of having to pretend that I had a good time with someone who's just interested in what I got and not who I am. I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No. For all this time that I'm wasting, spent on the surface, I don't wanna fake it, cause I realize that I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No. And ain't nothing social about the media. Try to get deep, but you draw me about the leader, and it's weighing me down. I'm alone in the crowd, can't fake it now. Can't fake it now. Now you see why I'm exhausted by the thought of hanging out in public just cause it's a look. No, I won't pretend that I had a good time, cause I ain't got the energy.
A workout, I feel amazing. The workout was like 40 minutes long, and I enjoyed it. It's my first time doing it. It was intense, it really was. So that I have right now that I work out 3 days a week, but on Saturdays I'm just gonna try to change it up every Saturday because I don't want to get bored. So I work out on the weekdays 3 days, and then I save my 4th day for my weekend, which either that Saturday or that Sunday, but I preferably will leave it to Saturdays because I want Sundays to rest, reset, get my week started, meal prep, plan out my week, things like that, so I can kind of stay on task with everything. I'm about to leave right now the gym, but I am about to head out to this place called The Greens, something like that. But anyways, y'all, they have like meals for like $5 every Saturday until they close. From the time they open up until they close, they always like restock and stuff like that. So basically what their meals consist of, like different type of food plans or food meals that you are on. So I'm gonna get a low calorie meals. I'm gonna probably go get 10 because I want to do 2 a day. I wasn't in my mind thinking that I wasn't gonna meal prep this week or kind of give myself a break. I was gonna most likely do it like this, do the meal prep already done for the $5 every week. I was gonna do that every other week, and then therefore I'll get 2 meal preps already prepped for 2 weeks in a month, and then the other 2 weeks I'll prep my own meals. So I kind of give myself a break. So since I already prepped my meals this past week, I'm gonna go ahead and do the meals that I already prepped for $5. I'm gonna show you guys what all they have. Now, from my understanding, I know they have keto, I think they have Pella, I know for sure they have a low calories, low carb type of thing. That's what I'm going to get. And I'm not sure what else they have, but they have a fridge full of food. But with all the talking, y'all, let's head on to the place so we can get the meal prep food. And yeah, let's go.
I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No, for this time that I'm wasting, spitting on the surface. I don't wanna fake it, cause I realize that I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy.
I made it to Green Hearts, y'all. Green Heart Meals. So I'm about to go ahead in here and pick out my meals because your girl don't feel like cooking this weekend, and we're not about to stress ourselves because I was supposed to. Y'all heard the main word, right? I was supposed to take pictures today. My hair isn't done and my outfits ain't put together. So let's hope and pray tomorrow that is a better day. Just burp. Seem like it's gonna be cloudy as hell. I'll have to work out that evening because I want to make sure I get a workout in at least 4 to 5, between 3, 4, and 5 days a week. Don't hold me on the 5, but I'm trying. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, all right. We done got that understood. So I'm about to get the car to go get the food. Girl, it has so many people in here. I'm gonna hold on a little bit because I'm gonna wait maybe about 5-10 minutes and let these people get their stuff and get out the way, because I ain't got time to be bumping into nobody trying to find food, because I gotta get food for me and I gotta get food for my brother. But yeah, that's just the situation. Also today, my sister and my brother wanted to do like a little surprise thing for my husband. Yo, I cannot talk. What is going on? I still have that morning brain to where I can't even think. All right, so y'all, my sister and my brother wanted to kind of like gather together and get something, like a little small thing for my husband, because my husband really don't be wanting nothing. But come on now, we got to show you some kind of, you know, celebration with your birthday and stuff like that. We got to do something. So I'm going to pick up these meals for me and my brother, and then once I do that, I'm gonna call my sister and see what's the plans, and then my brother to see what's going on. But most likely we probably will do like a little small like finger foods and stuff like that, and like a cake for him, and who knows what's next, because I thought he was gonna have to work today and tomorrow, but he said he on call. But hopefully I'm praying that he's off fully today and fully tomorrow, but we don't know. We will see. But in here and get these meals, and I'm gonna let y'all see what it's looking like. So if you have a Green Heart type of place that do like the little specials, $5 on Saturdays, hop on that, because guess what, I'm not about to meal prep every single week. I'll prep twice a month, and then I'll buy these little meals twice a month. So that'll give me some kind of like help, because your girl don't be wanting to cook all the time. Like, I need a break. I need a break. This is my break this week. And then I'll have to probably do something at home, something small, probably like tuna or some fish, something like that, not too major where I'll be slaving over the stove. So yeah, let me stop talking. I done say that about the 1000th time. Let me go up in here and get this food, y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. All right, y'all, I made it back to the car. So I'm gonna show y'all what I have, because once I get home I won't have time to show y'all, so I'm gonna have to show y'all real quick. This won't take me long at all. I'm trying to catch my breath, y'all. I'm so tired. So altogether I got 10 meals, 2 per day. 1 for lunch, 1 for dinner, and then I'll make my own breakfast and do my own healthy snacks. So I have a protein pancake with turkey bacon. This is 180 calories. I have some bacon wrapped chicken, which is 380 calories. I have turkey meatloaf, 300 calories. I have barbecue chicken with garlic mac, 360. Stuffed bell peppers, 280. Cajun sausage cabbage, 350. And I ended up getting some 6 pepper steaks diced with zucchini, bell peppers, and onions, which is 220 calories. I got another 6 pepper steak, and then I got 2. Did I get no? Did I get? I got a spaghetti squash and meatballs for 380. So basically everything under 500 calories, really like 400 calories. And then I got the shrimp pesto zoodles, seasoned with shrimp, or well, seasoned, got shrimp in it, and it's 240. So everything y'all see, all my meals are under, all my meals, my healthy meals are under 400 calories. But I'm gonna be doing my own breakfast in the morning time. So that's all my meals for the week so far, for now, so I can get a break from cooking, and then we are set. 10 meals, two a day for 5 days, and then I'll have to see what I work with Saturday and Sunday. I may come back Saturday and make this my 2 weeks of non-meal prepping, and then my last week of each month, then I'll cook, you know. So I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out, y'all, to see. I'm just playing with stuff and trial and error and seeing what works for me. So I don't know yet, so I'm gonna see. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and call my sister, figure out, call my sister and my brother and figure out what we're gonna be doing. And then once we decide what we're gonna do from there, we can go ahead and I'm gonna most likely pick y'all up, and I'll see y'all then.